Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how automatic exchange rate work in HubSpot and what two mistakes you should avoid. Okay, if you are working with multiple currencies, setting them up correctly is really important for reporting. So let's start. Click on settings, then click on account defaults and open the currency tab. If you haven't added a currency yet, click on add currency and select your currency. In my case, I'm going to select Australian dollar, and because it is not enabled, it's showing us to set up the exchange rate. For now, I'm just setting up it as a 57. Done. So now if we need to enable this, we have option schedule automatic exchange rate update. What we need to do, we need to enable this toggle and we need to select the frequency, whether it's monthly, quarterly and yearly, and then click on update. Now once this is enabled, your HubSpot will automatically update the exchange rate. Okay, so for now it's 57. Now I'm just click on I'm just archiving this, and now I'm clicking on exchange rate. Now if I'm selecting it, it will automatically update. You can see it's showing the latest one. Okay, so once this is enabled, what happen, your exchange rate will automatically update, your deal will use the updated values, and report will reflect the latest conversion. Okay, so if this things is not set up properly, what happen, your deal reports and forecast may be affected. Okay, and maybe you will get a wrong numbers, wrong data. Okay, so we need to make sure that we will not do two common mistakes. First one, switching between manual and automatic conversion, because of that you will you will face some discrepancy on your data and not adding all the currency that you are using, right? Make sure you will avoid these mistakes, and that's it for this video. If you're working with international client, this setup is very important. If this helped, like and subscribe. If you need help for setting up HubSpot properly, check our free consultation link in the description. Thank you.